Hi there, welcome back to Aimco Manufacturing. Here we have a magnet tool used to pick up the brake rotors. We've got two mag switch magnets protected with Delrin sleeves on the pole shoes. This will protect the surface of the brake rotor. This is mounted to our TorqLift. Our TorqLift gives us the reach out capacity that we need to reach into a machine. I'll go ahead and demonstrate how this works. You got your up down pendant on the right. You go and lower it down. I'm going to bring the magnets all the way down into place first. Turn the magnet on. Pop-up indicator comes out, indicates that the magnet is on. You're safe to lift. The TorqLift is mounted to a trolley platform, which is mounted to a dual bridge crane. This gives us the ease of motion around the work cell. We also have our vertical slide handle to keep the operator in a nice ergonomic position. So as you're going down, you can remain in the same position. As well as traveling upwards, you can still keep your posture in a good position. If you were to accidentally hit the magnet off button, of course it won't drop. You do have a two-hand release, so you have to pull the common trigger in and the magnet off to release the part. You want to set it down on a supported surface, pull the common trigger in and turn the magnet off. Okay, thanks for watching. Please visit aimcomanufacturing.com for more product videos.